In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Calendly from Google Calendar. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling meetings and syncing your calendar seamlessly. But there are times when you might need to disconnect it from your Google Calendar. Whether you're switching to a different calendar, troubleshooting syncing issues, or simply no longer need the integration, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove the connection safely without affecting your existing events. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Alright, let's get started. First, open a web browser of your choice and navigate to the Calendly website. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will take you directly to the login screen where you can access your account. Now to log in, select the Continue with Google option. This is the most efficient way to access your account if it's already linked to your Google Calendar. Using this method ensures that you're logging into the correct Calendly account that's tied to your Google account. If you see multiple Google accounts listed, make sure to pick the right one. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to enter your Google credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Calendly dashboard. From here, navigate to the Personal Settings or Dashboard area. These sections provide access to all the customization and integration options for your account. Next, look for the section labeled Integrations and Apps. Click on it to open a list of all the external applications currently connected to your Calendly account. This is where Calendly manages its connections with other platforms, including Google Calendar. Now, scroll through the list and locate the Google Calendar integration. Once you find it, click on it to access the detailed integration page. This is where you can see all the specifics of how Calendly communicates with your Google Calendar. On this page, you should see an option to disconnect the integration. Depending on your version of Calendly, this might appear as a delete icon, a remove button, or another option that clearly indicates the ability to disconnect. Take a moment to locate it, and when you're ready, click on it. When you click the delete or disconnect option, Calendly will ask you to confirm your choice. This confirmation step is there to prevent accidental disconnections, so it's a safeguard worth paying attention to. Once you're certain you want to proceed, go ahead and confirm. After confirming, Calendly will immediately disconnect from your Google Calendar. This means that Calendly will no longer have access to your Google Calendar. However, it's worth noting that any events you had previously scheduled through Calendly will remain in your Google Calendar. Only new events will stop syncing automatically. And finally, take a moment to review your Calendly account settings. This is a great opportunity to explore other calendar integration options if you're switching to a different platform, or simply adjust your preferences to better suit your current workflow. And that's it. You've successfully disconnected Calendly from your Google Calendar, so now you know exactly how to manage this integration and make changes when needed. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.